Today we're going to talk about how to adjust the exterior lighting on your 911. Let's begin. If you would like to adjust the exterior lighting on your 911, you'll use this console that's just left of the ignition switch. You have two buttons here. One adjusts the lighting, and the other is your fog light switch. A single button push will bring up this menu in your instrument cluster. A single button push after that will cycle through the different menu options. We have automatic light control, so auto lights. You have low beam, parking lights, and off. Now if you would like to adjust your high beams manually, you can do so using the stalk here. If you pull back, you'll get a flash. If you push forward, you'll turn off your automatic high beam and put on normal high beam. What's the difference there? Auto high beam is going to look down the road, and if another car is coming towards you, the camera will notice that and automatically switch your car to low beams. You can adjust this in the PCM. I'll show you that in just a moment. However, if you would like to go to standard high beam down to low beam, you just pull backwards on that same lighting stalk, and now I'm in low beam. But if I would like to switch back to the automatic high beam, I just push forward again on the lighting stalk. Now if we wanted to adjust that here in the PCM, we would go to Settings, to Vehicle. On this menu, you have three different options here. Automatic high beam adjustment, we just talked about that. You can turn it on and off here. Also, a welcome and goodbye animation. And so this happens when you turn your vehicle off and on. And then we have set light delay time. This is how long the lights will stay on after you've locked your vehicle. You now know how to adjust the exterior lighting on your 911.